So how can you show old messages on the iPad? Let's explain that. But if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe to it because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one. So on your iPad, you can locate your messages situation. As usual, just open up the app and at first, make sure that you are browsing the messages properly. Like obviously I'm going to cover all of the possible things, but let's start with that. So at the top, you have a little filter icon, which you can tap on and you can, for example, check out some spam messages or recently deleted messages, and it's possible that some of the older ones are going to appear in these filters or categories. You can even manage like specifically the folders and everything in there, so make sure you browse it properly. Outside of that, what you need to do is to make sure it is all properly synced with the iCloud. So inside of the settings app of your iPad, tap on your name at the top entirely, go to iCloud and locate the messages. And you want to ensure that the use on this iPad toggle is green, that it's turned on, meaning that your iPad is officially being synced with your iCloud network. So if some messages are not stored locally on your iPad and are only on the iCloud, you probably want them to show up on your iPad anyway, and ensure that even the older messages are going to be part of your app. You can even see below the current situation and see how many messages are currently stored in your iCloud, how long they are supposed to be kept there, so that's kind of important as well. Ensure it is set to forever if you don't ever want to lose any of your messages. And also you can just sync now and make sure that those messages will reappear in the messages app and you're going to be updated with the latest one. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. I would really appreciate if you hit the thumbs up if you managed to successfully bring your messages to the iPad. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the next tutorials as well.